so finished ball. Now, firstly, you're not allowed to gain an advantage by doing what's called a doorknob lift. Now, to classify a doorknob lift, you can see the hands effectively almost flat on the plate. Can you see that? So the difference with a key pinch is you come in with your fingers like this. Usually I'm aiming for this bit of my finger there. So that's the mid. That's where the ball is actually centered. Okay, so it's the most flexible part of the finger actually. And you, again, like the halfpenny, you're going to come in low, as low as you can, so the thumb's way past the plate when I set up. I'm going to turn my hand up. Again, I'm taking away the slack in the skin. So I'm going to turn my hand up before gripping. Now you can see my fingers come up like this, yeah. And importantly, the difference between a doorknob and a key pinch is you can actually see the ball. You're allowed to have a 45-degree angle between the plate and your thumb. You see there's plenty of ball visible there, meaning it's not a doorknob technique. You're not gaining an extra advantage. Now what happens is I set up, if you set with your thumb at 45 degrees, it'll often come up during the lift. And that's a good thing. You want to encourage that, because what happens is, again, as you're coming up through the lift, you're taking away slack in the skin and it's tightening the lift. You'll lift more weight. So it wouldn't be an advantage for me to go straight down on top of it for a max lift, possibly for a timed hold. Now the advantage with going straight down on top of the ball like that is for timed hold, it's going to reduce the rotation and reduce the chance of spinning out of position. In a timed hold, obviously, as soon as you spin out of position, you're going to drop it. So it's a slightly different focus for timed hold as for maximum lifts. So maximum lift, it's like this, really tight under there with the fingers, tight in, and you're going to come tight up like that. Again, you need to have a decent amount of the ball visible there for this key pinch. It doesn't gain you any advantage to being low down if it's going to come up anyway. So so that's again your the position of the hand for the finished ball. It's not going to be there. It's not going to be there. It's going to be 45 degrees. Again, that allows you to gain the most stability and symmetry in your forearm as you come up with the elbow.